Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the newest Truly Me dolls, number 125 and 128. I have posted an unboxing video of 127 yesterday. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. And tomorrow you can come back to our channel to see me unbox number 126. 125 and 128 are both light-skinned Josefina molds, and that's why I decided to group them together. I'm recording this video in the morning of February 1st, and these dolls are still not available online. I purchased them at American Girl Place NYC. By the way, I did make a video about my visit there. You can check it out. I'll put the link to it in the description box below as well. It's just really surprising to me that the doll's not released yet. Maybe there's a glitch in the system. Maybe they weren't meant to be released this Thursday. I'm just a little bit surprised because they are released in stores. I just don't know why they're not available online yet. I'm going to start with number 125. She's a light-skinned Josefina mold with long, wavy blonde hair and hazel eyes. She reminds me a lot of Kira, and you know, Kira was a really good seller for American Girl, so it doesn't surprise me that American Girl brought a version of her in a Truly Me form. Josefina mold in particular seems to be a fan favorite. I've met a lot of people who said that this is their favorite face mold, and it is really cute. There's just something about it. It's not as cute as the original version from Pleasant Company, but it's still a very, very cute face mold. And she looks just like a preppy Kira. Let me know in the comments if you see the resemblance. And by the way, if you're new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. I believe this doll is going to be a really good seller for American Girl because blondes traditionally sell well. And she is a very, very pretty doll with Josefina mold. And she looks so cute. I think this meat outfit is such a big improvement over the old outfits. It's so far my favorite. Her eyes are hazel, which is the same color as Nenea's or Rebecca's or number 127th. Obviously, except for the eyelid color. And I tried to pick the one that had the most even features. However, now that I'm looking at her left eye, which is on the right side of the screen, looks a little bit weird to me. Like, do I see the metal part in there? Or am I imagining it? I think I see a little bit. Anyway, she is very pretty still. I'm not going to exchange her because I already opened her and, you know, there's nothing horrible. I can live with this. I love how natural her eyebrows look. And I know for people who collect Pleasant Company dolls, this is a very different look. But I kind of appreciate both of them. I appreciate the older eyebrows. I appreciate the newer eyebrows. Her lips are this reddish color. It's very natural. And let's take a look at her wig now. She has long hair and it comes in these loose curls. So I guess they are meant to be kind of wavy, especially if you play with that hair. And it does need some playing. It is kind of all pushed together. If you want a fuller look for her curls, you just need to rearrange them a little bit. You can even split some curls. That would add some volume too. Overall, I'm not super crazy about this wig. It is, you know, it's not the worst. And overall, it's not a thin wig. And the curls aren't bad. I'm just going to keep rearranging the curls for a bit until I'm satisfied with the result. And like I said, you can split some curls. You can even use a hairbrush. If you are going to use a hairbrush on these, I suggest brushing each curl individually and just kind of fluffing it up. Don't just brush through the entire thing because then the volume will go crazy, unless that's what you want. Now let me show you a close-up of her hair so you could see the hair color. And it's kind of weird because when I look at it in real life, it looks like all the hair is the same color. It just kind of reflects light slightly differently in different parts. And when I'm looking at the video, it looks like they're different. They're two colors. So I don't know what to tell you. This is the final look after I played with her hair for a little bit, and it could of course get better. It could get a little more volume right around her face, but I think this is satisfactory. I think she looks great. I'm not going to talk much about her outfit in this video. I already did that in the previous video where I unboxed number 127, but basically the dress is cotton jersey, pretty thick. The collar is white cotton fabric and it only exists on the front. The shoes are kind of patent leather look, but they're faux leather, of course. And the socks are just regular socks. So now let's unbox number 128. Someone commented under one of our videos that she's an emo Lila, and I can't unsee it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. So number 125 is a Kira with long hair, and number 128 is an emo Lila. I guess those dolls are popular, and well, we know Kira was a really good seller, so it's not a surprise. To me, this doll looks a lot like Carissa, and I think it's because of the hairstyle. It's the middle part, straight hair, except Carissa, of course, had shorter hair, and her hair color was different, and her eye color was different too. But overall, and I don't think Carissa had freckles either, but overall they do look similar in my opinion. I know a lot of people were really excited about this doll, especially because she has freckles, and a lot of us do like freckles on our dolls. I believe this doll will be another good seller for American Girl. She might seem a little basic, but I think the freckles make her really cute, and everybody loves Josefina mold. She has green eyes, and they are the kind of green that Kira had, I believe. I don't have my Kira with me, so I can't compare, but these are definitely not Isabel's eyes or Felicity's eyes, and they're also not Evette's eyes either. Evette's eye color is gray, and this doll definitely has green eyes. They're not super bright green. They're kind of more muted, more slightly grayish, very natural green color. And she has freckles and light skin tone and feathered eyebrows. Now let's take a look at her hair, and it's fairly long. It is straight hair. Here, let me show you what the hair color looks like. There are definitely two colors. There's either super dark brown or black, I can't even tell, but the second color is kind of medium brown. And they blended pretty well. They're not chunky highlights or anything. I just love her hair. It's soft. I would restyle it just a little bit because you could see how two sides, they kind of curl in the same direction when normally your hair wouldn't do that. It would either curl inward or outward, and hers, one side curls inward and the other side curls outward. Overall, I'm happy with this doll. Some minor adjustment to her hair will do. And when I got to pick her at the store, I didn't have to go through a lot of dolls. I think most of them were pretty good to start with. When I look at her in real life, she looks pretty even. Her face looks pretty even to me and nice enough. But when I started making this video and looked at the footage, I noticed that her eyes and eyelashes look uneven. So they do look uneven on screen, but they look even in real life, and that's kind of weird to me. You see how they are not even. It's like one eye socket is slightly larger than the other one. And you know, that's how the doll molds are. They are supposed to be slightly uneven to not be too spooky. I decided to see her next to Evette and compare the freckles pattern, and it's the exact same freckles pattern as Evette's. You could see their eye color is different though. Evette's eyes are gray and number 128's eyes are green. But they do look similar. Yeah, I think they do look pretty similar. And of course, the skin tone is different. Yvette's skin tone is darker, and number 128 has a light skin tone. And as I'm about to finish recording this video, the new dolls and new outfits are finally available online on American Girl website. So if you're looking to buy them online, if you don't have a local American Girl store, you can do that right now. Now let's take a look at these dolls. I think they look similar enough to be sisters, and they're really cute. Let me know in the comments if you're a fan of Josefina mold, and let me know which mold is your favorite if it's not Josefina. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl content but not yet subscribed to our channel, I definitely recommend doing so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.